Welcome back to the Credit Society. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can boost your credit score to a high 800s and build your CPN by adding primary trail lines on your credit profile. This is a CPN that I purchased. This is a pre-built CPN that already has primary trail lines reported, and you're able to get approved for high limit funding because of the credit history added with the primary trail lines. If we go to accounts, you will see a Citibank primary trail line added as a 0% credit utilization. Now, you see right here, it says a Citi card CBNA. This is a revolving primary trail line for $49,000, recently reported July 18th. This is an open account with backdated 5 years of credit history with 0% utilization. This is a primary trail line, which means that this is a credit history needed to get approved for high limit credit cards. So if you're trying to get quick funding, are you trying to make money, and if you're trying to build your CPN, adding primary trail lines will help a lot. The revolving primary trail line reported is from industrytradelines.com. These report to all 3 credit bureaus. They have individual trail lines and they also have packages, but the one specifically for 49,000 is this revolving unsecured credit card. Any details or information you want to know is in the description, so make sure you read that. The reporting date varies from each account, and they do report to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. All of these trail lines are primary and they are all open accounts. If you're trying to get an auto or revolving, they have bundles. And if you need to buy a CPN credit profile, they already have one and they can merge it onto your information. For instance, this one says a 762, 731, 748. This one comes with an auto and mortgage. They're already reported. So if you're trying to get approved and get a high limit credit card, then I recommend going to industrytradelines.com. You can get approved for American Express. You can get approved for a venture card. Any type of loan you will get approved for because it already has the backdated history added. So if you are struggling, you have bad credit, you need to build the CPN, then I advise you to go get real primary trail lines from industrytradelines.com.